Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you one thing. So first, I'm going to select today, so I can show you today, and let's go. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote or how to select winning product from ClickBank, and you guys can start promoting and start able to get sales, because it doesn't matter how good your ads are, how good your funnel is, but if your product and VSL is not converting, you're not going to make money. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I personally select winning offer or winning VSL, and I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that how I select based on season. There are a few things. Make sure watch till the end so you guys understand. So let's go. So first, head over to ChatGPT, and in here I'm gonna ask looking for product. There is a very specific technique I use. Look, every kind of supplement and product works and converts, but there are few seasons, there are like few kind of supplements and product converts like crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So if you just do it, you will find a product that will makes you like more than $1,000 a day. And remember, it doesn't matter how good your ads are, how much money you guys are spending, how good your copy and everything. If your product and VSL does not convert, if your product does not convince people, it doesn't matter how good your ads are, how much money you're spending, you're not going to make money. So product is by far the number one and the most important thing. If that converts, people are facing problem, and you're just giving them a right solution with right offer, with right pricing, people will buy. So product is by far the most important thing. Secondary things is like ad creatives and all these things. So number one is your product slash offer. Okay, so now let's go. I'm gonna give you example what I'm trying to tell you. For example, I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, like that is my prompt. I'm gonna click enter, and I'm gonna show you what prompt I gave. You guys can see these are the offers that ChatGPT gave me, like from October to December conversions monster. So I told you, like, it's not necessary like all products are converting. I'm not saying that, but the best, like I told you, there are few seasons that few products and supplements are crushing it. Okay, so in October to December, it's coming, almost winter is coming. So in winters, like first is joint support. I personally know about this joint support. Like people are facing joints pain issue. I have people in my home, they are facing like pain, their joints pain in knee, in elbow, and all these back pain, and they are literally spending money on physiotherapists and people like this, so they go to their clinics and just try to fix their like pain, like what we call like knee issue or like back pain issue. So this is by far the biggest problem. They are spending a lot of money on like medicines and like creams and things like this. So I personally know about this. So it's by far the biggest, you call it thing, and the product if you can promote in winters in these 3 months basically. Second is vitamin D3 kind of falls under like joints. Second, you guys can see then immune system. You guys can see sleep support. That's again, I have a friend that's have a problem related to sleep because insomnia, and you guys can see all these things, stress and long nights. You know, in winters there's a very long night, so people have different kind of problems with the sleep. And you guys can see mood and cognitive, magnesium, collagen. You guys can see joint pain, skin like knees and skin dryness, and you guys can see probiotics. And these are the top supplements that people are looking for specifically in these 3 months in winters. And I'm going to give you one more thing. Okay, so these are the top products based on top problems people are facing in winters. Okay, so this is by far, if you just go with these products and with these specific niches, you're going to crushing it. Okay, so first thing is based on, I told you like every product converts, but there are seasons, there are few product crush it. Okay, so first is joint pain. Second, vitamin D3 kind of supplements, you can directly sell it. Sleep related supplements, it's very important because of these big nights, people have like nightmares and things like this, so people are looking for that kind of thing. Male ED, brain and memory, old people are looking for it. Relationship and manifestation. So more are like, you can see like only few are digital products, but more of these are supplements. So these kind of products converts really well in these winter days because people are facing these problems mostly in winters. Okay, so maybe weight loss is not works really well, to be honest, in these days, in my opinion, in my personal experience, but these offers converts really well. These are the best season of these offers. If you go with these offers, it converts right like crazy. Okay, so for example, you need to select one of this offer. Let's go. I'm going to explain a little bit more and further. So how you guys select. So season is very important. Like what is the problem? You must know what is the problem people are facing nowadays, because winter is coming and people are facing these problems. I know because some of these problems my friend and from my home people are facing. mostly in winters. Okay, that's why I know, and that's why I'm going to promote these offers. Next, head over to ClickBank Marketplace or Digistore, like whichever. So right now you guys can see a lot of you guys are facing seeing the top products is related to what I show you right now. So first is like memory related. I told you brain and hearing related offer, people are looking for it. Second is you guys can see male ED offer, like okay, it's a weight loss. It's again like skin related. It's again manifestation offer. Again, like it's again brain and hearing offer. Top offers, it's a joint related supplement. It's like a joint related supplement. Again, it's again, you guys can see manifestation offer, breathe offer. It's kind of different. Again, manifestation offer. And you guys can see relationship offer. You guys can see okay, kind of relationship offer because it's a sketch relationship offer. Again, manifestation offer. Again, kind of manifestation offer. Again, you guys can see sleep offer. I told you these are the problems, and now you guys can see people are start promoting, and these are becoming the top product because I told you these are the problems people are facing in the winter. So that's why people are launching these, vendors are launching it. Okay, and you guys can see penal grind. It's also related to brain. I don't know about this, to be very honest. And you guys can see all these offers. So you guys can see nowadays people are start promoting those offers that you never heard before, but most of like sleep, manifestation, relationship, and brain and hearing offer, male ED. So these are the top offers nowadays start converting really well. So because I have a people in my home, they're facing joints issue, so I'm starting with like joint offer. For example, I want to promote this offer, okay, joints related, and I know like a lot of people are facing joints pain problem. So what I'm gonna do is first I go to googletrends.com and I just type joint supplements. So you guys can see I type joint supplements, or you guys can also type like, for example, joints pain. Let's see. So people are also searching for joints pain. Okay, people are not searching. Okay, people are also searching like joints pain. You guys can see. So it means there's a demand from, to be honest, world like whole year, but mainly in winters, because I have personal experience. Like people are facing this problem a lot, and you guys can see people are searching it, looking for it, joint support, joint supplement, joint pains, things like this. So it means a lot of people are searching in Google. So it means you can easily sell on Facebook. Now the next thing what I'm going to do is, for example, I selected like I just selected like I'm going to promote joints offer based on the season. So next I'm going to Facebook ads library, and I just simply type joint pain, and you guys can see a lot of people are running ads for joints related. It could be doctors, it could be physiotherapists, it could be anyone who's selling something or who's providing any kind of services, because in the joint space a lot of people are also providing services as a physiotherapist and things like this. People are selling creams, like supplements. People are selling like a lot of different kind of things. To be honest, I also don't know their like kind of gadgets people are selling. So you guys can see there's a very, very high demand. A lot of people are running ads. You guys can see that person is selling supplement. So if there is a lot of ads, it means people are buying it. There's a very big market, and you can sell it. Okay, so if people are running ads for any kind of joint offer, it means the trend is going up. And I told you like in the winters it's a really high trend. Okay, so now for example, I know like a lot of people are running ads. I'm gonna also run ads, and because it works, that's the peak season. Now next thing is I'm gonna also go to like Spy Hero, and in Spy Hero I'm gonna show you one thing. Normally I don't see offers in here, but I just click on this week. I'm not looking for this month or this year, I'm looking for this week. And now you just notice one very important thing is a lot of people are promoting different kind of offer, like for example prostate offer, hearing and tighten offer. Like I told you, brain and hearing related offer people are promoting. Survival, again, brain and memory offer. Survival, brain and memory offer. One person only promoting, like few percent are launching ads for weight loss, and again like nails related offer. Okay, so you see like there's a trend is changing. No one is promoting like blood sugar offer and weight loss offer. Why? Because that's not the peak season. That's not the peak season for that. The peak season, as I told you, you can search on ChatGPT, Gemini, or anywhere, like what are the exact old people are facing nowadays problem. So people are facing brain hearing problems, nails, skin, dry skin problem. People are facing like a male ED related problem, hearing related problem. These are the top problems people are facing. Based on that problems, we sell our supplement as a solution to these people. Okay, understand? Now let's go back. For example, I selected this offer, but I selected the offer that I'm going to promote like joints related offer. Now next, and the most important thing, I also have to go and see the VSL. If the VSL is good, then I'm going to promote, because if the VSL is not good, you're not able to get a sale, because VSL generates us a sale, right? Let's go. I'm going to explain. So now, for example, that's the offer. So that's the joints related offer. I'm going to promote joints related offer, but I don't know like this offer converts really well or not. First thing, that's the important thing. I'm looking for like a good conversion rate. But let's see the sales page. Click this, and now you guys can see that's the sales page, and that's the VSL sales page. So how like this VSL page is good? There's a one simple thing. You have to watch this VSL for some time. At least you have to watch this VSL for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. If this VSL engage you, like I'm watching and I thought like, okay, it's a really good VSL, I am engaged and I saw a lot of things, like if I was that kind of person, I would buy that. Means at least that VSL must engage you. You think, okay, it's a really good. If that is a good VSL, you will make money. You can go and promote. But if the VSL is not good, I highly recommend select any other joints related offer, because that's the most important thing. If that VSL, that presentation does not engage you, most likely it will also not engage other people, your customers. Okay, it's very important. But I'm going to promote this offer. The reason is it's already top offer already. Like I think I also promoted offer from this vendor before. There's a blood sugar offer and that converts really well for me. I'm gonna also go and start promoting it. But in this video, I'm not going to show you everything. First link in the full course, first link in the description. Go and watch full course. I show you everything. In this video, I show you only one thing, and that is how to select an offer that converts based on season. So in this video, I show you how to select a product, how to select a top winning product for ClickBank and start able to make more than $1,000 a day. I did not show you any kind of random shit. I just literally told you what are the problems people are facing nowadays. So right now winter is coming, so I told you like these are the exact problems people are facing and these are the solutions for that problem. Okay, people are facing joints pain problem, so joint supplement or maybe some kind of gel is a solution. Simple as that. Okay, so these are the problems people are facing and we are providing the solution. Simple as that. Nothing rocket science, nothing else. You can also research first, go to like ChatGPT, Gemini, and ask like what are the problems old people are facing nowadays, so I can sell supplements on them. Okay, so these are the top I know. So I just also provide you can also promote one of these offers in these 3 months, and you will able to see, you will be amazed. You will start go and promote one of these offers and you will be amazed. But make sure you must watch VSL. That VSL must be good. If the VSL is good, you will easily crush it. Okay, simple as that. Now if you guys have any question, anything related to anything, you can comment me and I will give you the answer. And last, I also launched a school community. You guys can join it. And last and the most important thing, tell me what kind of video you want to watch next so I can create it. Okay, and if you want to watch full course step by step, also first link in the description, you guys can go and watch it.